Auto Crash Repairs, Franklin County. If your car, truck, or SUV has suffered damage due to an auto crash, call Bob Cartelli's Auto Body Shop at 413-774-3101 for auto crash repairs in Franklin County. Conveniently located in downtown Greenfield, Mass., call the experts at Bob Cartelli's Auto Body Shop at 413-774-3101. From minor bumper repairs to total vehicle restoration, no job too small or too big at Bob Cartelli's. We are happy to assist you with filing your insurance claims and will have your vehicle back to you in a fast turnaround time. Give us a call at 413-774-3101. Auto Crash Repairs, Franklin County.